I made a small but annoying maintenance boo-boo during the valve clearance job. On the side cover plate on the crankcase, I had to remove both of these plugs and had to insert a wrench here to reach that bolt. What happened is that I put the wrench in and I inadvertently pushed down on it, and that's how I rotated it. As a result, I busted the threads down there on the lower half of the bolt. That's how rounded off threads look like. The upper half is nice and intact. Maybe compare it with this one, so you can see nice sharp threads on this side and busted rounded threads on this side. There. What I had to do to make this situation a little better, because the plug just didn't want to fit back in without forcing it, which I didn't want to do, is that I had to clean the threads out. The thread pitch is 1.5 millimeter. This thread is 12 by 1.5. I had a tap that was 10 by 1.5, so I cleaned out most of the aluminum dust or aluminium dust, depending on your location. You can see some of it on my finger. So I had to clean it out with the tap, and then the plug fits. Yeah, it's still busted, but it holds oil. It's not a problem, and I know I can get another cover plate for it. It's available part, and no big deal. But yeah, for future reference, if you don't want to piss yourself off with it, just put the wrench in and just center it. Don't let it drop, or don't raise it. So sit down to it to eye height or shoulder height and take your time. Because I was trying to rotate it with just one wrench and one hand, and the only way to do it was to get a little leverage on it and rest it there. That was a problem. So now I know. Now you know.